I'm BD Greenman, your Cowboy Rabbi from Israel, and today I wanted to give you an unboxing and a review of a Kershaw Misdirect. I buy a fair amount of knives in this price range because I teach youth a lot, and I don't think the parents should spend a ton of money on a knife for a kid. It's just not right. So Kershaw makes great knives for under 50 bucks. This one, as you'll see, is a thumb activator. Boom, very flippy, nice. 1365 steel, I like it. Their blades are easy to sharpen, easy to maintain an edge. Pocket clip, pretty good one-handed opening, closing. I've got many Kershaw knives, and I can say with my eyes closed that this is going to be a great knife to add to my collection. I would recommend this for anybody, the first-time user or experienced user in the $30 range. This is going to give you a lot of bang for your buck. Highly recommend it.